Welcome to this tutorial on how AffirmS Buy Now Pay Later works. Affirm is a financial technology company that allows consumers to pay for purchases over time with transparent and fair interest rates. To use AffirmS Buy Now Pay Later option, start by selecting the items you want to purchase from a participating online retailer. At checkout, choose Affirm as your payment method and you will be prompted to select a payment plan that works for you. This can range from 3 to 12 months, depending on the retailer and the amount of your purchase. Once you have selected your payment plan, you will be asked to provide some basic information, such as your name, email address, phone number, and date of birth. You will also need to create an account with Affirm, which will allow you to track your payments and view your loan details. After you have provided the required information, Affirm will perform a soft credit check to determine your eligibility for a loan. This will not affect your credit score and will only be used to verify your identity and determine your creditworthiness. If you are approved for a loan, you will be presented with a loan agreement that outlines the terms of your payment plan, including the amount of each payment, the interest rate, and the repayment schedule. Review this agreement carefully to ensure you understand the terms of your loan. Once you have accepted the loan agreement, your purchase will be processed and the items will be shipped to you. You will then begin making payments according to the schedule outlined in your loan agreement. You can make payments online or through the Affirm mobile app. It is essential to make your payments on time to avoid late fees and to protect your credit score. You can also pay off your loan early, which may save you money on interest charges. In conclusion, using Affirm's Buy Now Pay Later option is a straightforward process that allows you to pay for purchases over time with transparent and fair interest rates. By following these steps and making your payments on time, you can enjoy the benefits of Affirm's Buy Now Pay Later option and take control of your finances.